I'm going to show you how to make a chalkboard stencil with vinyl. Let's get started. First, you are going to cut your design on your cutting machine. I used stencil vinyl and I would recommend it. Then you are going to peel out all the areas of the design that you would like to have on your chalkboard. So peel out anything that you want to fill in with chalk. Next up, you are going to use transfer tape to transfer your design onto your chalkboard. Go ahead and rub the transfer tape right on top of your design. Make sure your design fits your chalkboard. Once you have it to fit, you are going to peel the back off of the stencil vinyl. Peel it slowly to make sure that you get everything attached to the transfer tape. Then go ahead and set that on top of your chalkboard. Rub it into place to make sure everything adheres well, and once you have it attached to your chalkboard, you can remove the transfer tape. Go ahead and take that off and then make sure to rub everything down again. Next up, put your chalk paste up along the top of your design or in spots that you might think you need it, and use a squeegee or a scraper to drag the paste all over your stencil. Be sure to cover all the areas. You'll have excess paste that you can scrape off and put back, and just make sure that you have everything covered on your stencil. I made sure to go over it a couple of times to make sure that I had all the spots covered. Next up, you are going to peel your stencil. This is the grand reveal. This part is so fun to see those crisp, clean lines on your chalkboard. It's amazing. I love that part. So then you're going to go ahead and remove all those pieces, including the insides of your letters and the tiny pieces all around. So have fun weeding out your project. Weeding means taking out what you don't want. Then if you have any areas where you accidentally got that chalk paste, you can just use a wet rag and wipe it away. Because it's chalk, it's going to wipe off of your chalkboard. So you can clean up your chalkboard, and that's all there is to it. You can leave this design on your chalkboard until you are ready to change it up, and then you can wipe it off and get a different stencil and start all over again. Enjoy making those chalkboard designs all on your own with your own vinyl stencils.